So, hello everyone. Let's talk about stock market view. And I'm disclosing that my disclaimer is that there is no any recommendation from my sides. I will put only my view. मैं अपना व्यू रखूंगा. ठीक है. बात कर लेते हैं मार्केट के बारे में. So what happened with Nifty 50? Nifty 50 closed by minus 1.5% and closed at the level of 23,165. Let's see here. This is the you can see here Nifty closed at 23,165, closed at negative by 1.5%. Nifty Next 50 also closed by minus 1.06% at the level of 62,372. Nifty IT also closed at level 35,980 and percentage wise closed by minus 2.45. Nifty Bank also closed by minus 1.42%. Nifty Fin Service also closed by minus 2.1%, 2.17, and Nifty 5%. Nifty 500 also closed by minus 1.25%. Let us talk about silver. What happened with silver? Silver Beige also closed by minus 0.90%, 96.72, closed at the level. Silver Beige, I'm talking about Silver Beige, not MCX Silver. Gold Beige up by 3.45%. It is exciting. So let's see what happened. Other sectors, real Nifty Realty also closed by minus 3.1%. That was shocking for investors because from this market, uh, only swing traders are earning money. Swing traders are making money, but investors are not making money. Why they are not making money? Because my market going थोड़ा सा ऊपर आता है, उसके बाद फिर नीचे जाता है. Finally, I am seeing that market is moving in the bearish trend. बट इसने थोड़ा सा कोशिश किया था ट्रेंड को ब्रेक करने का. ट्रेंड ब्रेक किया भी था. निफ्टी 23,400 के ऊपर सस्टेन कर रही थी पिछले 5 दिनों से, लेकिन इट वाज फेल्ड, क्लोज्ड above at this level by today market on 1st April 2025. So what happens, what is happening with Nifty? अगर ये कल के दिन 23,100 के ऊपर सस्टेन करता है, ऊपर क्लोज करता है, then trend can be go upside. But if it close down by tomorrow or next 2-3 days after close down, then trend will break to downside and bearish trend will continue. So that is not a good news for investors. Speculators are earning money from this market. Swing traders are also earning money from this market, but investors are not earning money from this market. This is difficult, and from my view, from my perspective, I will say one thing is that stock market is a game of risk reward with stop loss. ये एक ऐसा खेल है जो रिस्क रिवॉर्ड के साथ स्टॉप लॉस फॉलो करना होता है. अगर इन तीनों चीज़ों को कोई कर सकता है तो ही पैसा बना सकता है. अदरवाइज he cannot make money from this market. Some exceptions may make money from this market. But overall, if I talk about more than 3, 4, 5%, this method may not be true success. So let's talk about some metal. Nifty metal also closed at the negative level, minus 0.83%, at the level of 9,016.85. So mostly every sectors are closed at down level. Uh, so what is the, these are the levels, and so let's talk some my view for this market. व्यू वैसे मैंने बता दिया है कि निफ्टी 23,400 के ऊपर स्टेबल होनी चाहिए थी और इससे लेवल से ऊपर जानी चाहिए थी, बट ये डाउन लेवल पे गई है. सो इट मे बी द इंडिकेशन ऑफ कंटिन्यू ऑफ डाउन ट्रेंड. बट हमें चार्ट के हिसाब से चलना होगा, मार्केट के हिसाब से चलना होगा. Let's see what happens by tomorrow or after the day tomorrow, or what will happen in this week, because three more trading sessions are left for in this week. So let's see what happens in the market. Market के साथ चलेंगे तो we can make money. We will definitely make money. But if we go against market direction, then we will not be able to make money. So आई थिंक काफ़ी कुछ डिस्कस कर लिया मैंने इस वीडियो में. एंड सो आई क्लोज दिस वीडियो. एंड इफ यू आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो, देन यू कैन लाइक दिस वीडियो, ऑल्सो शेयर दिस वीडियो एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल फॉर गेटिंग more updates from the stock market and more techniques how to trade in this market, how to get success from this market. I will discuss on this channel day by day. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.